Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami, hello teacher, hello friends. Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter G. So let's start. This is an uppercase G. What is this Monami?
This is an uppercase G.
And this is a lowercase g. What is this Monami?
This is a lowercase g.
Good. As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter G is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us hear the story of grandmother's goat. Grandmother has a goat named Goldie. Goldie loves to graze upon the green meadow along with his friend Goose. They dance with the girl who sings ga 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 while Granny plays the guitar. One day, as they were singing and dancing, they heard an unusual sound. Grunt, grunt, grunt. Oh, it was a pig who was watching them from the log. The little girl invited the pig to dance with them. Together, they danced and sang ga 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 ga. Yes, the sound of letter G is G. So now let us sing about the sound of letter G. G is a consonant, it has a sound. G is a consonant, it has a sound.
G is a consonant, it has a sound. G is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the G sound G, 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 G.
Let us say the G sound G, 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 G.
G as in girl, G as in guitar, G as in grasshopper.
G as in girl, G as in guitar, G as in grasshopper.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
G is a consonant, it has a sound. G is a consonant, it has a sound.
G is a consonant, it has a sound. G is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the G sound G, 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 G.
Let us say the G sound G, 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 G.
G as in goat, G as in gloves, G as in grapefruit.
G as in goat, G as in gloves, G as in grapefruit.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
Monami, what have we learned today?
The sound of letter G is G. G as in grandmother, G as in goose, and G as in grunt, grunt, the sound of pig.
Yes, excellent. So children, in our next class, we will learn about letter H with another new story.
And guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Till then, bye.
Bye children.